Okay, let's look at this word problem. Catherine spends $1,089.72 each month for rent and supplies to run her hair salon. If she charges $18 for a haircut, how many haircuts must Catherine do to cover her monthly expenses? We're going to round our answer to the nearest haircut. So, if we have a total of $1,089.72 and we want to know how many haircuts, we're going to have to do a division problem. So let's just set up our problem initially. Of $1,089.72, and then we have our $18. Now when you're dividing decimals, you always have to make sure that the divisor is a whole number. So we know 18 is a whole number, so we don't have to do anything to the decimal there. And that means that over here in our dividend, our decimal can also stay the same. If there was something in the divisor, then we'd have to move it over. And I'll show you a problem like that in another video. So let's go ahead and solve. So we're looking at 18. We know that it can't go into 10, so that would be a 0. So now we're looking into 108. So 18 is about 20, and 108 is about 100, so we should try 18 times 5. So 5 times 8 is 40, and 5 plus 4 is 90. So that's almost, and if we added 18 more, that's 108. So it comes out exactly at 6 times, and 6 times is 108, so we don't have a remainder. We bring that 9 down. Now 18 can't go into 9, so we have to have that 0. Now our decimal again can stay the same, so we put it right up top there, and then we need to bring down the 7. So now we're looking at 18 and 97. Here we already have our help. We know it's times 5, which is 90. And now we're looking at 18 into 72. Let's try times 4, because it's a little less than 5. 4 times 8, 32. 4 plus 3 is 7, so 72. So 4 times, and we get no remainder. Now this is describing 60 haircuts. 60 and almost a half, right? So we would have to round up to the nearest haircut. So that would be 61 haircuts. Remember, when when dividing decimals, it's always important to look at where your decimal is in the divisor and then apply it to your dividend, and then you don't have to worry about it at the end because you already know where to stick it. All right, perfect.